Welcome to Rishvi Limited. UAE E-Invoicing is coming. Is your business ready? Here's your complete step-by-step compliance checklist. Start by understanding UAE E-Invoicing regulations and technical requirements. Evaluate your existing invoicing and ERP systems to identify gaps. Determine which transactions and business units are impacted. Select an accredited service provider for secure invoice exchange. Map your invoice data to UAE's required structured format. Integrate your ERP with the e-invoicing system seamlessly. Generate invoices in structured formats like XML. Ensure invoices are validated before transmission. Transmit invoices through secure e-invoicing networks. Report invoice data to the Federal Tax Authority. Store invoices securely for audit and compliance purposes. And finally, test your system and train your team before going live. Without proper preparation, businesses risk penalties and disruptions. Start preparing today and stay ahead of UAE e-invoicing compliance.